Phil Barker.
And I'm Dave Lyall.
And this is a quick reminder to let you know that the free seminar series coming up at the Expo is not far away.
We'll be kicking off at 2 p.m. on Thursday the 4th of April with our seminar talking about business success and how that looks to you, and importantly how you can accelerate your path to business success.
Yeah, I think everyone's idea of success is very different, but good business success ultimately gives us lots of choice, Dave. So I'll be kicking it off with understanding productivity, how to understand it, measure it and improve it.
We'll also be talking about communicating effectively, and that's not only with your customers but also with industry peers internally within your business.
I'll be talking about understanding your limitations and not trying to be a jack of all trades and a master of none.
And we'll go on to talk about the absolute importance of establishing key relationships.
And then I'll be wrapping up with profitability and how to some tried and tested techniques on how to increase profitability. So we're really looking forward to seeing everyone there. It's an unmissable industry event, 10 free seminars, and yeah, get online and register it because we're looking forward to seeing you all.
It should be a great event.